everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make this cute little rose. Here I'll be using simple stitches like chain, slip stitch, double crochets and single crochet. So it's very easy to make. So let's get started with this easy and cute little red flower. Materials required are 1.75 mm crochet hook, pair of scissors, cotton yarn. Let's begin first by making a slip knot. Go inside the loop. There we have a slip knot. We will be making chain 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like so. Make chain 60 and I'll meet you back. I have completed my chain 60 here. Now we will be working with the round 1, working double crochet, 4th chain from the hook. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a double crochet and then chain 4, 2, 3, 4. Make another double crochet in the same space. 1, double crochet on the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 4, 2, 3. Double crochet in the same space. You'll be getting the pattern something like this. Now double crochet on the 4th chain. One, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet in the same space. Repeat the same until we reach till the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet in the same space. Once I reach the end, I have reached the end of the chain. I have 4 chains left, so I'll be working 1 double crochet in the last chain. So now we will be working chain 2. Turn your work. We will be making 10 double crochet in the chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will be working one single crochet in this space. So there we have a single crochet. Now we will be working 10 double crochets in the chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will be working one single crochet in this space and then work 10 double crochets in the chain 4 space. Repeat till the end and I'll meet you back. We have reached to the end, so that is the last space left. We will make 10 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have completed all the petals here. There, this is how it should look. So we will be working a slip stitch here in this space. And a chain. Tighten it. Leave a long tail. Fasten it off. Pull the tail. Start rolling the petals like so. Adjust it accordingly. There, this is how it should look. We will take the needle and start securing the petals. Take the needle. First, we will be going in the last petal. Start going in between the single crochet. And all the way through the other side. There, and then go from the other side to the end. Continue doing the same until you feel that all the petals are in its place. So there you have it. Take the beginning tail and make a simple knot. There you have your pretty little rose ready. I hope you enjoyed learning this red rose. If you have come so far, hit the subscribe button. Do hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. And please like my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.